Prohibitory orders issued till February 28 to maintain law and order. Festivals and exams prompt law and order measures. ACP cities communal sensitivity enforces restrictions. Given several festivities and various competitive examinations to be held during the period of the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, and in order to prevent any possible disruption of law and order in the district, a prohibitory order till February 28 has been passed by the competent authority. In an official communication on Friday, Additional Commissioner of Police Prayagraj announced prohibitory orders under Section 163 of Civil Cut of Indian Civil Security Code 2023, also called Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The announcement specified, in the coming days, festivals of various religions, sects like Mahakumbh 2025, Amrit Snan, Jan Nayak Karpuri Thakur birthday, Republic Day, Mauni Amavasya, Basant Panchami, Sant Ravidas Jayanti, Maghi Purnima, Valentine's Day, Shab-e Barat, Mahashivratri, other festivals and various competitive examinations will be held. Going on to explain the upcoming events, the ACP intimated, in view of the communal sensitivity of the district, on the basis of information received from reliable sources, I am convinced that there is a possibility of anti-social elements causing disruption in law and order of the district. In view of the said festivals, there is an urgent need to maintain peace. Expressing the need to ensure that anti-social elements do not create any kind of disturbance, the official statement read, in order to ensure that the festivals of various religions, sects and various competitive examinations are conducted safely and peacefully, it is necessary to stop all efforts of anti-social elements and public interest. Hence, in view of the urgency of the situation, sufficient reason has been presented for the one-sided order passed without hearing or giving notice to the other parties. The prohibitory order in the entire Commissionerate Prayagraj will be in effect from January 16 to February 28. Shanknar News, Prayagraj.